Tired of messy cables? Experience a clutter-free car with the car retractable charger.
Got this 4-in-1 charger from Amazon. The color looks quite decent and classy. It's got 2 USB ports, a voltage display, one Type-C cable and one lightning cable. So it works both for Android and iPhones. और इसका सबसे cool feature है इसका wire, which is expandable and retractable at the same time. बस हल्का सा pull करो और automatically retract हो जाता है. No more tangled wires in your car now. Now come on, let's try charge the phone in the car. Time है 5:21 PM and battery is 23%. चलो देखते हैं 10 मिनट्स में कितना चार्ज होता है. और ये देखो, बैटरी अब हो गई है 32%. उतना फास्ट चार्जिंग तो नहीं है, लेकिन काफ़ी कन्वीनियंट है on the go. I would rate this product a 8 on 10. If you like this product, please comment below for the link.